Good morning. Hi. Good morning. You slept in your crib all night. Yes, you did. You're such a big boy. We didn't go in the swing last night. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do with you? Good morning, everybody. It's such a beautiful day. It is, oh yeah, ignore the pimple on my chin. I don't know what's going on with that. It is going to be a high of 67 in Fort Worth, and it's almost May. That is amazing, and I love it. And the windows are open. Don't really have to go anywhere today. I do have to pick up Timmy's dry cleaning. But other than that, we are golden. It's a beautiful day. I don't even know if I can stay inside all day. It's just too gorgeous. Are you enjoying that watermelon? Is that good? This is good stuff. This is some good stuff. Is that good? You like it, don't you? Just like your daddy. You love all the fruits. So I'm sitting here holding my baby boy, and I'm just looking into his gorgeous eyes. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but around his pupil, it's brown like mama's. You just hit the camera. And then around the brown, like the brown has like a star pattern. It's really, really pretty. And then, hi, gorgeous. And then around the brown star is his daddy's blue eyes. So he's got both of our eye color. Yeah, it's just so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see or not. But they are absolutely gorgeous. He's going to be a heartbreaker, and all the girls are going to be wanting him. Right. Right. Yes. I've got to go get Timmy's dry cleaning. It was ready at 3. It's 3:30, so that's what I get to do today. Woohoo! Owen's excited too. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? This is what I hear all the time when I drive. Every single time. Yeah, then what happened? phone died on me like 2 hours ago, and it was charging, and I completely forgot to get my phone out and start talking to you guys again. It's already 8 o'clock, and it's time for me to get going on Owen's bedtime routine, which is bath and bedtime. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get right back with you. Owen's in bed. It's 9:30. Timmy was supposed to get off work at 9. He has not texted or called, which means he's not off work yet. 2 days ago, he was supposed to get off work at 9, and he didn't get off work he didn't get home till 11 p.m. Like, he didn't get off work till like 10:30 or something crazy like that. Listen, guys, if a store or a restaurant or a clinic says it closes at 8, don't show up at 7:59. They have families to come home to, and we want them home, so dang it, get there 30 minutes before they close, not 1 minute. Rant over. I just want Timmy home. This is completely random, but I'm drinking out of this Coca-Cola glass, and it's a glass. Duh, it's a glass. Okay, and we only have 2 of these things, and it is my favorite cup to drink out of. I'm not sure why. I don't know, but does anybody know where I can get any more of these things? Because I really like them.
So I just came home after a long day. Stephanie tells me we're having a lot more views than usual. I just want to say thank you. When the title says almost killed my husband, I feel the love. You disappoint me. You do too.
You did it to yourself. Alright guys, it's time for bed. And we are 4 away from 100 subscribers.
3 from 99.
People on YouTube aren't on our Facebook page. Not all of them. So you gotta explain what you're talking about. So if we reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a makeover on Timmy. A girly makeover. Makeup and everything. And he says if we get 99 subscribers,
I'm going to do a prank on Stephanie. You want to know what it is? Too bad she's beside me. You will see in the future, though.
Better not have to do anything with scorpions.
No promises.
Or I will kill you.
The scorpion will kill you first.
Ugh. Anyways, so help us get there. It has to be by the end of this week. We can do it. 4 people, come on. You 4 that are watching that aren't subscribed, just subscribe to us. It's free. It's free and it helps us out. So do it and give us a thumbs up while you're at it. On YouTube. Thumbs up on YouTube.
You won't regret the prank.
Oh.
Trust me.
Just skip 99. Just go straight to 100. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.
Good
night. It's a long run for Callie. She is not a runner. She hates running. She's like her mama. Like she's coming up here to avoid you. She's coming up here to avoid you. Hey. 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 Shake it for me.
I would like to show you guys what laziness really is. This is Callie after running. Oh my goodness. If I just had to stand and drink, wow, what a travesty.